Now let's move to the other operations, subtraction and division. See, first let's take subtraction. Let's take two integers, -2 and 3. See, -2, -3, we have to subtract these two integers. So -2 minus 3 is -5. Okay, see here, -2 is a integer, -3 is also a integer, and -5 is also a integer. Now let's take 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. See, 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 is an integer, 2 is an integer, and 1 is also integer. So for a minus b is equals to c, c is an integer. Here a, b also integers. So subtraction of two integers results to a integer. Now let's discuss subtraction with commutative property. See, let's take two integers, -3 and 2. Now we subtract these two integers, -3 minus 2. The answer is -5. See, now let's change the order. -3 and 2, let's change the order. 2 minus -3. See here, minus into minus means plus. 2 plus 3 is 5. See here, -3 minus 2 results to -5 and 2 minus 3 results to 5. So commutative property is not suitable for subtraction, as -3 minus 2 is not equals to 2 minus -3. So commutative property is not suitable for subtraction. Now let's check for division. Let's take two integers, 8 and 4. Now let's divide these two integers. 8 divided by 4 is equals to 8 by 4 is equals to 2. Now we change the order and subtract. 4 divided by 8. See, 4 divided by 8 means 4 by 8. The answer is 1 by 2. Here if you observe, by changing the order the result is not same. So division is also not suitable for commutative property. See, if you observe, 8 is an integer, 4 is an integer, and here result 2 is also an integer. And here 4 is an integer, 8 is an integer, and 1 by 2 is not an integer. So if a and b are integers, then a divided b need not to be an integer. See here, the answer may be integer or may not. So this is not closed under division. Now let's take associative property for division. Associative property. Associative property for division. Let's take three integers, 1, 2, 3. See, 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 3. First let's do this. Okay, 1 divided by 2 is 1 by 2 divided by 3. We get in this way. If we change the order, 1 divided by 2 divided by 3, if we change the order, it is 1 divided by 2 by 3. See here, the result is not same. If we change the order, the result is changing. So Associative property is also not suitable for division. Now let's discuss division by 1. Division by 1. See, 65 divided by 1 is 65. Minus 4 divided by 1 is minus 4. 0 divided by 1 is 0. See, if we observe, while dividing with 1, the answer is same. So, a divided by 1 is always a. Now, let's see division by 0. Division by 0. See, 4 divided by 0 is not defined. And 0 divided by 4 is 0. See, here a divided by 0 is not defined. And 0 divided by a is 0. Okay, if you divide 0 with another number, the result is always 0. And if you divide 4 with 0, 4 or anything, any number with 0, the answer is not defined. So, a divided by 0 is not defined and 0 divided by a is 0. Now, let's move to the exercise. Let's move to the exercise 6. In exercise 6, we have only one problem. Fill the following blanks. See, here he gave some problems with blanks. We have to fill these blanks. First one, minus 25 divided by dash is equals to 25. As we know, a divided by 1 is equals to a. See, here a is minus 25. Here a is, here the result is 25. So, by dividing with 1, we get 25. But here negative, here positive. So, we have to divide with negative. Minus, minus get cancelled and results to plus. So, the answer is minus 1. In the same way, a divided by 1 is equals to a. Here, dash divided by 1 is equals to minus 49. Here, a is minus 49. 1, 1. So, here also a. So, the answer is minus 49. And 50 divided by 0. See, 50 divided by 0 is equals to how much? As we know, a divided by 0 is not defined. Here a is an integer. In the problem, 50 is a. So, the answer is not defined. Not defined. Not defined. Now 0 divided by 1. See, as we know, 0 divided by something number a is results to 0. So 0 divided by 1 is 0. We have completed our exercise 6. Now let's move to the exercise 7. First problem. In a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Here total questions are 15 and for every correct answer the marks is 4, and if the person answers incorrectly, then the marks given for incorrect answer is minus 2. Here Bharati attempts all questions but only 9 answers are correct. What is her score? See, first one, Bharati answered all questions, means 15 questions. Attempts total 15. And how many are correct? 9 are correct. Now incorrect answers is equals to total questions minus correct answer questions. So 15 minus 9. So the answer is 6. Incorrect answers is equal to 6 and correct answers are 9. Score is equals to correct answers marks plus incorrect answers marks. See, how many are correct? 9. And for every right answer the marks is 4. So for 9 questions it is 9 into 4 plus How many are incorrect? 6. And for every one question, minus 2 marks are given for incorrect answer. So for 6, it is 6 into minus 2. See, 9 4s are 36 plus 6 2s are 12 minus 12. So 36 minus 12. 36 minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 24. So score is equals to 24. Score of Bharati is Score of Bharati is 24 marks. Okay. Now second one. One of our friends, Hema attempts only 5 questions and all are correct. What will be her score? See, she attempted total questions she attempted is equals to 5. How many correct questions? Correct answers is equals to how many? 5. Incorrect answers? See, all of them are correct. All of 5 are correct. So incorrect is equals to 0. So 0. Now score is equals to correct 5 into 4. So the answer is 20. Hema score is equals to 20. Let's move to the second problem. A cement company earns a profit of 9 rupees per bag of white cement sold and a loss of 5 rupees per bag of grey cement sold. See here, if we sell one white cement bag, he is getting profit of 9 rupees. And if we sell grey cement bag, he is getting loss of 5 rupees. See, first one, the company sells 7,000 bags of white cement and 6,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? See, number of white cement bags is equals to 7,000 and profit. See, here for each white bag he is getting 9 rupees profit. For 7,000 bags he will get 7,000 into 9. So the answer is 7 9s are 63,000. 63,000 rupees profit he is getting with white cement bags. Now number of grey cement bags is equals to 6,000. See, for each grey cement bag he is getting loss of 5 rupees. Now loss is equals to, for each one bag he is getting loss of 5 rupees. For 6,000 he will get 6,000 into 5. See, 5 6 are 30, so the value is 30,000. So 30,000 rupees loss. See, he is asking what is its profit or loss. See, we have to subtract loss from profit. So profit minus loss. See, we have to do profit minus loss. If the value is positive, then it is profit. If we get value as negative, then it is loss. So here, to know whether it is profit or loss, we have to subtract 63 minus 30,000. So 63,000 minus 30,000. 63 minus 30,000 is 33,000. So rupees 33,000. Here the value of result is positive. So this is profit. So he got profit. How much profit? 33,000 rupees. So total profit in a month is equals to 33,000 rupees. See, now let's do for second problem. This is the solution for first one. Now let's calculate second one. What is the number of white cement bags he must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 5,400? See, number of Grey bags. Number of grey bags is equals to 5400. So loss is equals to, for each bag he is getting 5 rupees loss. For 5400, 5400 into 5. See, let's calculate 54 into 5. 54 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2, 27. Here we have 2 zeros, so we have to add 2 zeros. So this is 27,000 rupees. So loss is 27,000 rupees. Here he is asking for white cement bags to get neither profit nor loss. So profit minus loss is equals to 0. Why 0? He should not get profit, he should not get loss. So 0. Here loss is equals to 27,000. Let's assume number of white bags, white cement bags. White cement bags is equals to A. Let's assume as A. Now profit is equals to A into 9. Okay, A into 9. Now how we are going to check whether it is profit or loss? We have to subtract loss from profit. So profit is A into 9 minus 27,000. 27,000 is equals to 0. If we send 27 to this side, here it is negative. So this side it will be positive. So A into 9 is equals to 27,000. Here 9 is multiplying. As we know, division is inverse to multiplication. So if 9 is multiplying here, if we send 9 this side, it will divide. So A is equals to 27,000 divided by 9. See, 27 divided by 9. How many 3 zeros? Okay, 9 3s are 27. 0. How many zeros we have? 3. So 3000. So A is equals to 3000. So he should sell 3000 number of white bags to get neither profit nor loss. So number of white cement bags is equals to 3000. This is the solution for second one. By this we have completed our second problem. Now in the third problem, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees per hour until midnight, at what time would be the 8 degrees below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? See, at 12 noon means 12 p.m. means afternoon. In afternoon, the temperature is 10 degrees above 0 means it is plus 10 degrees Celsius. And if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour, for every 1 hour, it is decreasing by 2 degrees centigrade. See, for 12, it is 10 degrees. If it for 1 hour means 1 p.m., it would be decreased by 2 means it will become 8 degrees Celsius. So by this, for every 1 hour, it is decreasing by 2. Now he is asking the time. At what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees below 0? See, he is asking us time and the temperature would be 8 degrees below 0. Below 0, 8 degrees Celsius means it is negative, minus 8 degrees Celsius. See, actually the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and he is asking us time when it reaches minus 8 degrees Celsius. See, how much it is decreased? It is decreasing by 18 degrees Celsius. See, 10 to 0 is 10 degrees Celsius. It should decrease, and from 0 it should decrease 8 degrees Celsius. Total 18 degrees Celsius. It should decrease 18 degrees Celsius. Let's assume time is equals to A. See, time or hours. hours is equals to A. For every 1 hour, it is decreasing by 2 degrees Celsius. For A hours, it will decrease. For A hours, it will decrease A into 2 degrees Celsius. What is the total temperature it should decrease? The temperature to be decreased is equals to 18 degrees Celsius. See, in here A hours, it will decrease A into 2 degrees Celsius, and we know the temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. See, here 2 is multiplying with A. If we move to the right side, it will divide. So A is equals to 18 divided by 2. So A is equals to 9. A is hours. So hours. So time is equals to 9 hours. So for 9 hours, it will decrease by 8 degrees Celsius. See here, how many hours of time it is taking? 9 hours. But here he is asking time, not hours. So it started at 12. After 12, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. See, 9 hours means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the time is also 9 o'clock. The answer is 9 o'clock PM. So the time is 9 PM. Now, what would be the temperature at midnight? He is asking the temperature at midnight. Okay, for the first one, this is the solution. And he is asking, what is the temperature at midnight? Midnight means 12 AM. Here, the temperature starts at 12, afternoon means 12 PM. Here, how many hours are there between 12 PM to 12 AM? It is 12 hours. Okay. Between 12 PM to 12 AM, the number of hours are 12 hours. How much temperature will decrease in 12 hours? Decrease temperature. Decreased temperature is equals to 12 into 2, which is 24 degrees Celsius. See, in 12 hours, it will decrease 24 degrees Celsius. Here, what is the starting degrees? It is 10 degrees Celsius above 0. So, we have to subtract 24 from 10 because it is decreased by 24 degrees Celsius and the starting temperature is 10 degrees. So, temperature is equals to 10 degrees Celsius minus 24 degrees Celsius. Here, 24 is the bigger one. So, 24 minus 10 is 14. So, 14 degrees Celsius, and the biggest number is 24 and the sign for the biggest number is negative. So, minus 24 degrees Celsius. So, what would be the temperature at midnight means? The answer is minus 14 degrees Celsius. Now, in the fourth problem, in a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks are for not attempting any question. Here, for every correct answer, the marks is plus 3 and for every incorrect answer, the marks is minus 2, and if no question is attempted, then the marks given is 0. So, no marks means 0. Okay. Now, first one, Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted correctly? First, score of correct answers. How many correct answers she gave? 12. 12. For every correct answer, what is the score? 3. For 12 questions, it is 12 into 3. It is 36 marks. This is for correct answers. Now score for incorrect answers. See, first we don't know the incorrect, how many questions he attempted incorrectly, we don't know. So let's assume incorrect answers is equals to A. Okay, now score of incorrect answers is equals to C. A, for every one incorrect it is -2. For A it is A into -2. Okay, now she got 20 marks. Total score is equals to 20 marks. As we know, total score is equals to correct answer score plus incorrect answer score. So total score is equals to correct answers score plus incorrect answers score. Okay, correct answer score is equals to 36 plus incorrect answer score is equals to A into -2 is equals to, what is the total marks? 20. So 20. See here, 36 is adding this side. If we move to the right side, it will subtract. So A into -2 is equals to 20 minus 36. See, 20 minus 36. 36 minus 20 is 16, and greater sign for 36 is the greater, and sign of the greatest number is minus. So minus 16. A into -2. Here -2 is multiplying this side. If we go this side, it will divide. So A is equals to -16 divided by -2. Here minus get cancelled. 16 divided by 2 is 8. A is equals to 8. Here we got A is equal to 8. What is A? A is incorrect answers. So the questions she has attempted incorrectly is 8. So number of questions she attempted incorrectly is equals to 8. See here, first problem is done. Now let's move for the second one. You can note this answer for first one. Okay, now second one. Here, if Mohini scores -5 marks, here score is -5 in this test. So she got 7 correct answers. How many questions she has attempted incorrectly? Similar to the first one. See, total score is equals to -5. Correct answers score. Correct answers score is equals to 7 into, for every question 3 marks. So for 7 it is 3, it is 21 marks. Here -5 marks total. And incorrect answers. Let incorrect answers is equals to A. Now score for these incorrect answers is equals to A into -2. As I told you before, for one question it's -2. For A questions it is A into -2. See, as we know, total score is equals to correct answer score plus incorrect answer score. So total score is equals to correct plus incorrect score. See here, correct answer score is 21 plus incorrect is A into -2 is equals to how many marks? -5. Okay, here 21 is adding this side. If we move to the right side, it will subtract. So A into -2 is equals to -5 minus 21. Okay, 21 minus 5, 21 minus. So we have to add these numbers. 21 plus 5 is 26 and the sign is negative. As both the numbers are integers, it will be the minus. So minus, minus, minus. Okay. Here a into minus 2 is equals to minus 26. Here minus 2 is multiplying this side. If we move minus to this side, it will divide. So a is equals to minus 26 divided by 2. Minus 2. Here minus, minus get cancelled. 26 divided by 2. 26 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 6. 2 threes are 6. 0. So 13. So a is equals to 13. See, what is a? Incorrect answers question. See, how many questions he attempted incorrectly means the answer is 13. She attempted 13 questions incorrectly. See, so the answer is 13. This is the solution for second one. You can note it down. Now, this is the last problem of exercise 7. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If its descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? See, here rate of descent. Rate of descent is equals to 6 meters per minute. See, the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level. If you assume this is the ground level, the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level. This is ground level. See, from here the descent starts. And how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? Minus 350 meters means this is 0, ground level is 0. Minus 350 meters means it is below the ground. Here it is minus 350 meters. See, here the distance is minus 350 meters. This is the distance. Okay. And here the distance is 10 meters. He is asking how long will it take? Means he is asking how much time it takes to reach from here to here. See, total distance here to here is 10 meters plus 350 meters. Here 350 meters is the distance. Here 10 meters. It is starting here and it should reach here. He is asking us time. So total distance it should travel is 10 plus 350 is equals to 360. Total descent meters is equals to 10 plus 350 is equals to 360 meters. See, he is asking for time. So let's assume time is equals to A. See, A as time. For 1 minute, it is decreasing by 6 meters. For A minutes, how much distance it will decrease? It will decrease by A into 6. So, total descent is equals to A into 6. In A minutes, it will decrease. It will descend. It will move down by A into 6 meters. A into 6. So here total distance meters is 360 meters. So A into 6 is equals to 360. Here 6 is multiplying this side. If we move 6 to this side, it will divide. So A is equals to 360 divided by 6. 360 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36, 0, 0. Here also 0. So the answer is 60. So A is equals to 60 minutes. 60 minutes means we can write 60 minutes as 1 hour. How long it will take to reach minus 350 meters means 1 hour. So time taken is equals to 1 hour. By this we have completed our exercise 7 and our chapter integers. In our chapter integers, what we have discussed? See, first we have to know what are integers. See, we have discussed what are integers and we have performed the operations on integers like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, we have performed operations of integers by using numbers and number line also, and we have discussed the different properties of integers. Like closure property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. See, here closure property or commutative property we have discussed with addition, for addition, associative property also, and closure property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property we have discussed for multiplication. And same these properties are we have known for subtraction and division also. And we came to know that associative property and distributive property, commutative property are not applicable in subtraction and division. See, and we have discussed the identities of addition and multiplication. And we have solved the exercise and their problems. See, these are discussed in this chapter. If you have missed any topics, please go back through the previous videos and clear your doubts by visiting those topics. And thank you guys.